Definitely typing on her phone there. It's WhatsApp that's open. She's closing it now. She's got a map.
Superstar. Hey.
How are you doing? We don't need to spend any more time with her. LM18NNW. I like how she quickly changed the messages to SatNav. I'm afraid SatNav is just as illegal as messages, even if you think it's okay.